Why choose black doors interior? Dear friends, color is one of the main concerns when it comes to choosing the right doors for your home. One of the most popular colors is black, and, while some might be skeptical, experts understand how this color can improve various areas of your home. Here are some reasons to choose black for your interior doors. Elegance. Black is a popular choice for anyone who would like to add elegance and class to a particular room. White doors, for example, create a charming, country-style feel, whereas black doors will give you more of a sophisticated look. Complement accents. If you have one or more black accents in your room, adding a black door will help emphasize these accents and bring everything together. It will help you create a more cohesive space, and, if you prefer, you can contrast it by choosing a light or white frame. Downplay a door. If you want to downplay a door, you can choose a darker door to help disguise any imperfections. Black will make an otherwise unattractive door less of an influence on the room. Create a frame. When you install a black door with glass panels, you will help create a wonderful frame effect. Much like a picture frame, your black door will help frame the view of the room on the other side of the door. Creating balance. A fireplace or a large TV in a room can take on the appearance of a void. To offset this, you can add a black door. This will help offset the black void and create more of a balance in the room. Improve any door. The color black can make any door look even better. If black can make an old door look good, just imagine what this color choice could do for a modern interior door. Hide the dirt. Lighter colors tend to get dirty rather quickly. Especially if you have children or pets. Darker colors might still pick up dirt, but it will not be nearly as noticeable. You will still need to clean your black doors, but you will not be struggling with stains. Clear destination. When you have a long hallway and you want to set a clear destination point, you can't go wrong with a black door. It's great for giving spacious rooms some definition through the art of contrast colors. Some reflection. Mirrors are known for adding beautiful reflective style to a room. A black door possesses a similar ability due to its shine. You can choose a matte or glossy finish depending on your personal preference. Obviously, the glossy variety reflects lighter and will add more sheen to the room. Complement dark floors. If you already have dark floors, you might not want to add too many dark design elements, as it can make the room look really small. A black door, however, will complement the dark flooring without making the space feel smaller. Taller ceiling effect. Contrasting colors are very attractive to the eye. Narrow, black doors help bring the eyes up and thereby tricking the brain into thinking that the ceiling is higher than it really is. This is particularly great when you are looking for the right door for your basement or any other parts of the home with low ceilings. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.